Yes, you are gorgeous. Actually, my video wasn't even on. I got you now. Can I walk over here? Okay. Okay, here you are. Thank you. I hung up on someone when I saw you. You're gorgeous. Isn't he beautiful? Oh my God. And there's our host right there. Can I get a picture of you? A video? This is Heidi. Say hello, Heidi. She's a wonderful, strong lady. She takes care of the whole place. She's the owner. Look at this beautiful. Okay. Hello. Hello. Okay. I'll let you go do your thing, okay? Bye-bye.